marvellous. And there is nobody else who supports the arts like me, or something along those lines, not putting you under any pressure at all. Sorry, I should have warned you this at the beginning.
To the Nancy Stevens.
And it's 45 minutes, so it's probably about a 40-minute episode.
Hmm.
And if we get the link for your publisher, we can put that on the YouTube video.
Oh, brilliant, thank you.
We'll do that for you.
Thank you, you
Yeah.
can do that, can't you? Know what?
Yeah, we've got all that anyway, so we'll do that, yeah.
Arts and what?
Nancy Stevens Arts and Style Show.
Arts and Stars.
Style.
Style.
Yes, style.
Style. Styles or style?
Style. 'Cause
Style.
I do talk about fashion occasionally.
Arts and
Sitting
Style
there
show.
with an Adam Ant t-shirt on is probably the most stylish person she's interviewed in a while. Good lord.
Style I'm going to get. I always listen to Nancy Stevens Arts and Style show. And is there an address or something you think that needs to go?
Just it's YouTube, iTunes, and Spotify.
All major platforms.
All major platforms. Just put all,
all
major
platforms.
And she's amazing.
Including 9 inch
We
recorders
love
at King's
her.
Cross.
Yeah.
We love Nancy.
All major platforms.
Bit like we love, what was it? I Love Lucy. We love
Yeah.
Nancy.
We love
Yeah.
Nancy. I'm Paul Eccentric and I love Nancy, or
Yeah.
something like that.
I have been Paul eccentric.
Have been and forevermore will be.
Do you know that whole lesson?
Do we need to get a man with a bass for this?
God no.
Oh God, no, that's another show.
It's another show. That's another 4 hours of setting the bloody thing up. Yeah.
Yeah.
He won't do this unless he's got 4 banks of lights on every wall.
Right.
Right, is that okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
I always listen to the Nancy Stevens Arts and Style show on all major platforms. No, that's not right, is it? Not on all major platforms.
It is, it
yeah,
is.
but there needs to be a
That
full
was
stop
fine,
there.
yeah.
That was fun.
All right, I'll start again.
You can do it in a poncy voice if you like as well. You can do this with Queen Victoria.
Shall I do it as Queen Victoria?
Yeah. I'm Queen Victoria and I always...
One minute. Let's get on.
I'm Queen Victoria, and I always listen to the Nancy Stevens Arts and Style show, available on all major platforms. Give her a listen, she's lovely. I love Nancy.
Can you do that last bit again? Because I cut you off.
Oh, did you? Which bit?
I love Nancy.
Oh dear.
We.
We.
We love Nancy.
Oh, I've actually got a headache now.
I'm
Thank
going to
you
be doing
so
my
much.
own audio book, so